That's how the inside looks. Classic 360. It has a total of 3 combs in total, and it is pre-bleached. It is pre-plucked. Getting your wig like this straight out of the packaging can be very motivating because you don't have to go through all that stress, you know. So yeah, the wig is also very full, so that's what I'm showing you here. It's so full, it's nice, it's luscious, it's soft, like extremely soft, straight out of the packaging. I did get minimal shedding, just to let you know, so there is definitely minimal shedding. So for today's install, I wanted to do glue. This glue here, if you've seen my recent wig video, you will see which glue this is. And so I'm trying it out for a second time. I was very intrigued and I really wanted to put it to the test again, so I'm using that glue to install today's wig. I took my time, and the first time I used this glue I did only 2 layers, so today I did 4, because when I did just 2 layers it held up. I went to the gym, the glue held up, like the glue held up. And I know you guys are gonna ask what glue it is. Just go back to my previous wig video that I published. The one right before this, just go in my video section, the one right before this, that's a glue. Yes guys, go and check out the video. I'm sending you to go look. So I put it to the test. I went to the gym in it, and listen, it held up. I went to the gym 2 days straight and it held up really well. On the 3rd day it started to lift. Usually on the 1st day, no matter how good the glue is, it just, like, I sweat so hard at the gym, you know, it still lifts. So this glue so far, it's been good, so I'm putting it to the test again. I actually sealed off that 4th layer, which I didn't get the other 2 layers. I only showed you 2 layers that I applied on camera. I sealed it off with some got to be spray. This is a way where I find that, I don't know, it just grabs the lace immediately once I put it on. Sometimes when I just use the glue, it don't grab it immediately. Like, I have to be there on it, just drying and drying and drying before it actually grabs it. I don't know if you guys understand what I mean, but for me this has been working so far, so I keep on doing it. So I'm just using my comb here to keep on, like, pressing the lace down in and just melting it further, and then I go in with my blow dryer on cool air as usual, and then I went in and I started cutting away the lace in small portions, as you know I usually would. And this is how it looks. And as I cut away in small sections, I just press it in, go over the edges, the very tip, to just seal it with a little bit more got to be spray. Guys, you heard that? That's the thunder. It's raining. Yes, so that's what that is. So I did edges today. You don't have to do edges if you don't want. You really don't have to. But you guys know, I wanted to do a little extra, and I just embraced my fresh face today too. I didn't do no makeup or anything, and I didn't apply any further, like, I didn't apply any makeup to further blend the lace or anything. So that was a plus whenever you get a wig and it can do that. Not saying that if you need to use makeup it's a bad wig, but it's just so nice when you can get a wig where it melts so nicely, where you don't necessarily have to use makeup. And if you want to, you can definitely go in and further camouflage it. It's totally up to you. So I just pulled out a bit of the hairs in the front there to go ahead and do my edges. I used my hot comb to just flatten everything, and also my elastic band, because you know that helps to further melt. And I got my little flat iron here because I wanted to do my little soft baby hairs. And yeah, I kind of just fast forwarded that portion. It wasn't nothing too, I'm still in practicing phase of doing those baby hairs, to be honest. So yeah, I just did my regular little swoops. You really don't have to do all these swoops if you don't. I usually do my little 2 swoops, but today I was feeling a little extra. I elongated the parting a little bit more and just made sure that everything was super flat on top there with my not my flat iron, my hot comb, and got it nice and, you know, flattened. And that wig, look at that, it's just so luscious. Look at that, full of movement and life. It's so gorgeous. So to just seal off this entire wig look, I went in with some water in my spray bottle, sprayed that all over the wig. Went through it with my little paddle brush, and look at that. Gorgeous. It is absolutely stunning. Bestlacewigs, you did it again. I'm going to be sure to put all the information as usual in my description box, guys, so go ahead and check that out. Alright guys, so I'm back. Sorry about my background noise, but this is the final look of the hair. It is so nice and full, as I said before, and fresh face. I did not use any makeup at all on the wig, so that's a plus. It's looking pretty good. You don't have to do as much swoops as I did. You guys know this. The lace incorporated really well. And as you can see, this is a glue install, so I'll be wearing this for a little bit, yeah, a couple days. So yeah, I really love the way the wig, how the whole install turned out. As usual, you guys know this is my go-to texture. It is really soft, very full, minimal shedding. Shedding is definitely there, but it's minimal. Okay, so that's good. And yeah, as I said, I didn't use any like extra makeup or anything on this. It's just as how it comes. The knots are definitely pre-bleached, so that's a plus. So shout out to Bestlacewigs. They really always bring good quality, so I can't complain. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. This is today's wig look, and yeah. If this was informative, if you liked the video, go ahead and give it a thumb up. Don't forget to subscribe as well. And go ahead and check out my vlog channel at Petite Suit TV. And I'll see you guys in my next video.